Hey guys, so today I will be teaching you how to make your own fenugreek oil for hair growth. This is actually one of the easiest ways on how you can make it, plus it's also super cheap because this time I'm not using expensive oils or anything and the process is very easy. So if you all are interested, then let's get started. Fenugreek seed is one of the best natural remedies for growing long hair and also preventing hair loss because it has a rich concentration of vitamins and nutrients that are essential for your hair follicles to remain healthy, so they are able to enhance the growth and all over health of your hair. It also has detangling properties that helps combat frizz and promotes shiny and soft hair. Furthermore, it has some antibacterial and antimicrobial properties to it that can help prevent dandruff, itchy scalp, and any scalp infection. So at this point, you can add whatever oils that you want, but for me, I will add in my castor oil because it's just one of my favorite hair growth oils, and then also VCO. I really do like the combination of both of these oils because it has worked wonders for both my hair and scalp. So I don't really have an exact proportion for it, I'm just eyeballing things, but that's how much of the fenugreek seeds that I added in that little bottle. And then I will do a 50-50 proportion of the castor oil and the VCO. And in here, if you only want to use one oil, just make sure that the fenugreek oil is fully soaked in it. After that, I will mix it together and I will let it marinate for 1 week. Also, what I do is I wrapped it with a cloth like this to let it naturally warm up or heat up and then store it in a dark place. And seriously, the weather here in my country is so hot that I'm pretty sure that it is going to brew it just by storing it there. Okay, so after a week, this is what it looks like. This was actually attacked by ants, by the way, because it smells like sugar. And I must admit that this takes a long time before you can actually use it, but I really wanted to do the cold press version, so this is why I did it this way. But if you want to use it immediately, you can warm up the fenugreek seeds along with the oil of your choice in a pan, but it is totally up to you guys. So here's how I use it. I apply it on my scalp, of course, and I coat my whole head with it. And also after that, I always make sure to do scalp massages. And later I will also be applying it on my ends too, because this is great for preventing breakage and retaining your length as well. Also, I applied some on the rest of my hair. But if you guys notice here, I'm not really drenching my hair with that oil. I'm just simply applying enough that my hair will be coated, but not soaking it at all. Okay, so after that, I left it on my hair for 30 minutes and then I just washed it off. Okay, so now this is what it looks like after. I really like how it has a softening effect on the hair, and I have been oiling my hair recently and I have been noticing fast results on my hair growth and just the all over quality of how my hair feels. So that is it, you guys. I hope you all liked this video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and also let me know in the comments down below if you are also a fenugreek oil user. And this is also actually one of my favorite oils to put on my hair as well, just because I've been experimenting on different types of hair growth oils to use in the hair, and not only that, but oils that can actually preserve your ends and prevent breakage and split ends as well, and eventually help you retain your length. So that is it. Please do share it to a friend if you found this content valuable, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!